Hey there YouTube, Cool Hat Man here, and I got another solenoid engine that I made that I want to show you guys. Just a quick overview here. It's not finished yet, but got a solenoid, pretty, decent sized solenoid. Micro switch, haven't mounted that anywhere yet. On just that little piece of wood. Got my wiring stuff. And my flywheel. And my flywheel, this is actually a bunch of CDs that I put together and painted. For bearings, it's more just of a electric DC motor. That's pretty much it. I'll be running it off 120 volts here. Just plug it in. I'm gonna try and do this whole. Okay, here we go. Ugh. There we go. It's really hard to do with one hand. Okay. Sorry, that wasn't the best, but it's really hard to do with one hand. So I plan on replacing all this right here. I'll probably make these wires longer so I can hook up a cam on the drive shaft. This is really unfinished, so please don't criticize me too much. I will post another video when I'm done. This is Cool Hat Man. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.